How to fix you cannot place a WhatsApp call if you're already on another call. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first I want to tell you what this is about. So let's say that you are on a call and then you want to do another call. So you can do that on WhatsApp. It's not a thing that you can't place another call if you're already on another call. So this is just a glitch, and if you want to get rid of it, we just have to go to settings. I will show you a few methods here to fix this. So like I said, go to settings, and from here you want to scroll down until you find apps. So click on that, and from here you want to scroll again down through all your apps until you find WhatsApp. So there it is. And if you just can't find it here, you just can press on this search bar icon from the right top corner and search for WhatsApp. Just like this. So click on it. After that, you have to scroll down and then go to storage. So here you can clear the data and the cache. So once you did that, your glitch has to disappear, and if it's still there, you can just uninstall the app and then reinstall it again, and after that you can also restart your phone, and after that your application will function with no problem, with no glitch, and you can make two calls at once. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and you can also ask questions if you have problems. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.